So a few days ago I saw a post by an entrepreneur who said that he was hacked by Russian hackers and all of his businesses just went down. All his Google business profiles were just suspended. And I wanted to give you guys a few tips, few handful and useful tips on how you can prevent it from ever happening to your business. So tip number one, make sure you have a backup file of your website as well as the database. Okay, make sure you have those two backup stored locally on your computer and also on the cloud. Tip number two is make sure that your website is not just a PHP file that you got from someone on Fiverr or something like that, and convert it into WordPress. Now, once you do, make sure you do two things. One, you installed WordFence, which prevents people from certain IPs ever logging to your website. And the second one is make sure all your themes and plugins are always up to date. Next tip, make sure that you're putting two-way verification on everything possible. You can do it on WordPress, you can do it on your GoDaddy or from wherever you bought your domain from. You can put it on your hosting. Two-way verification means that you're getting a text message to your phone whenever someone tries to log into your account, even though they have all the credentials. And last but not least, make sure you have all your login information. Okay, this is a lot of times I see entrepreneurs where they don't know what email they signed up for, they don't know what the password is, and they need to talk to the web admin or whoever built their website and they're not in good relationship with them. Whatever it is, just make sure you have all your information, so whenever there's some sort of hack going on, you can easily log back in, change all the files, upload it, remove all the malicious software, and that's it. I hope this helps you. My name is Lior Vaknin, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.